Greetings fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at another kit from Yoav. This is the F4 Phantom that I recolored to represent a fighter from the Japan Self-Defense Air Force, JSADF. As you can see, Yoav kits are usually 130 in scale. So I reduced this to 172. And of course, in its protective wrap, we can see the tail feather of that kit. It is a 40th anniversary Phantom. And you can see the wing panel. It's really a beautiful kit. And can make out where you have the surface area just aft of the engine exhaust, navigational aid, cockpit for the front. It's going to be a lovely kit when it's finished. I built a large version and it was incredibly beautiful. And here you have the other wing panel. You have part of the ejection seat and a nose section. Now, it took me a while, I think almost a year, when I was designing it, because I like to look at the history, the makeup, and actually locate the decals to do the detail. So it is actually to scale, all the decal, including the crew chief name, the pilot's name, and so on. You have the detail cockpit here, you have the engine intake. It's a really beautiful kit. And this is a Phantom Mother Squadron 301. Beautiful. And here you have the engine exhaust detail. Now all the instruction for Yoav kit is located in his file page upload. I will make this kit available in his drawing. I will make it available once this build is complete. It's beautiful. I even was trying to experiment. I wanted to put the safety tag on the ejection seat. And here is a framework. And this is to be doubled. I just simply use another sheet of 160 gram paper and I'll double it. And this is a detail for the wheel assembly that he made. And here you have also for the main gear, he shows you how to deal with it. You have the formwork for the fuselage, and then the main wheel and nose wheel assembly. So pretty much this is what the Phantom kit is. I'll make sure when I'm building this, at the end of it, make sure this model is offered free. You can also find model that has been done, the F-16. There is a free model download that's located, so you can go check out the page for the F-16. It's in part 9 of 9, and I did the detailed build of it. So until then, my friends, that's it for the Phantom from Yoav. Take care, walk good, and above all, my friends, one love.